So while you guys are making your lidded forms, I want you to think about what the function of the lidded form is going to be. Is it for jewelry and you want to be able to open it up and see all your jewelry, so maybe it's more flat and wide? Is it for a food item? If so, are you going to be able to get a measuring cup in there? Is it going to be a cookie jar? Will you be able to get your hand in there? All right, you guys, this next one is for a cap lid. And again, you can throw any shape. This could just be a cylinder with a cap lid, kind of like a jar. I chose to do this shape just to kind of show you that there can be some, any type of shape that you want. So with a cap lid, the pot needs to come in at the top. So I'm going to choke this in, like so. And then, so right here where the cap's going to sit, you want it to be angled in a smidge. Don't have it be straight up and down. So I'm just going to take my rib, clean that up a little bit, just work on the shape of this pot for fun. So this is where the cap lid will fit on. Now, I'm going to measure it this way because it's the exterior measurement. So, does that make sense? So this is the exterior of this, which means the interior of my cap needs to be this size. All right, so for the cap lid, I just have a little bit of clay here. I'm just kind of trying to figure out where I need to go. Bring it out a smidge more. And really you're just throwing a teeny tiny cylinder. So I have it out where I want it to be. I'm gonna throw the wall. At this point, you could decide if this cap is too big for your pot. You could just cut the rim off and make it shorter. Now, since I have some curves on that pot, I'm gonna kind of trim this a little bit on the wheel. A little bit of a curve here, so it's not so angular. Again, measure it. I might need to bring this out a smidge. You know that whole saying, like, measure it twice, cut once? Goes for pottery too. Okay, so this one's the cap one, and I do the same thing here. I just put the pot on. I've already trimmed this one, but I'm just gonna show you, and then I can trim it right there on the pot. Like so. All right, and the last one is our cap lid. And here's what it looks like. So there you go for the cap lid. And there's all three, and lots of different options.